Kani kadai ke Jaka pule ke balatip kum ke Jettwings, ke ba ai jing Hikai ban Pyntbit ya ki Samla kentai bat cenrang hakikam Bapher. Ya ke Jettwings, la seng da ke company Info Valley Educational and Research Private Limited Guwahati, bat kadai ke Jaka pule ke ba ai jing Hikai bat Pyntbit ya ki Samla jeng ke jela kani ka tan chatai lamingi hakikam ki bai dai haki airlines, hospitality, tourism bat management. La sengya kani ke school house nem arajar nyo, bat kani ke Jaka puli ke don ha Upland Road Lime Crash Shillong, ha persya jong ke St. Mary's Lower Primary but Upper Primary School.
Ini ketika institut bangi pet haki niki skill development hakaliang airlines, hakaliang hospitality, but hak tourism management. Di kumbangi tip himenta niki hospitality sector India kala he ba. Dari airline sector seru kala ham he kila abun ki companies ki belawan kum ka AirAsia ka barang join recently di SpiceJet ki Indigo Airlines and all that. Di kini ki airlines menta kila don kam niki kena tapi kena ki bakat pras nam shaneng ban join ni ki kam po airlines and all that. Wal kum jo ru la abun ki hotel sectors menta pla pli po India. Ti ngipet kum ka Oberoi, kum ka Lila Palace, which is highly recommended as the best hotel in the country right now. Di kum ki Hilton, the kibon ki brands ki belawan si India mata. The fact of the matter is kini kim don kami ki kena ki ba la yo ki masters ne ka BA ki don kami kena ki belong train haka skill of how to work in hospitality sector, the skill of how to work in the airline sector. What we do here in the institute de kata ni Hikai ki kena ki skills kumka skill hapok hospitality sector kumno banlong a very good say front office person, how to become a very good food and beverages supervisor. Tingi give you ngi ayaki skills kumno bakin la ban tray bahay ni kam ken. Di haka airlines group menta ke airlines ka tam ketika sector bakam yo ka salary bakam he. Ti kibon ki kena ki bakwa ban yo ki kam apa airlines. Nrai ki don ki specific criteria mo kum ka height ki dependon ti ki communication skills ki dependon ti kumno bakin develop ka personality baki la ban ya keren bah baki customers and all of that. Ti all those soft skills are what Hikai nang ni na po ka institute jong Hikai. Kemudian ki kena ki bela pass class 12. And then who basically are interested in the hospitality in the airlines, and then ni train ki based on that national skill qualification framework. The syllabus mangi follow is a very competency based syllabus where we make sure the students actually fulfill certain competencies. Mo kamlong kum ka kini ka syllabus mangi liat for college and all that where you have to learn a theory or something like that. For us it's all about strength and competencies.
Greeting. How do you greet the customer? How do you greet your passengers when they fly with you? Alright? So, if it is Jet Airways or any other flight provider, what do? Sometimes they do this, right? I want everyone to do the namaste. Alright? Good. Very good. So, why do you do that? Because you greet the customer.
Kumbagalong haduk menta labun ki Samla kentai bat cenrang ki batip syapang gani ke Jaka puli ki lalait ban Pyntbit yaladi hagi jait kam Bapher ka bagidon ke jingsung tenat bantrai.
Ka fees pekno at the minute hang ni hapok Shillong hi the fees will be a little bit under a lakh. The total shubu with all the stuff that we give them, it's 1 lakh per student. In that 1 lakh part ni ay ki berkhot ki we give them a uniform, we give them a sari, then we give them books, we give them all the amenities that they need to be in the class, and then we don't take any other fee for that, like for their counseling, for their interview skills, this and that. It's just that within that 1 lakh we make sure these students are completely trained for that program.
Hagani ka school kidon prangut kinong Hikai kiba Hikai haki course Bapher but ki course kiba la ajing Hikai hangni kilong katkum ka kerdan jong ka National Skills Qualification Framework of India.
cover. Okay, so when there is a dessert in the menu, you have to keep the indicator on above the cover. Okay, your all-purpose spoon and fork.
Ka Jettwings ka deiru tangkani ka Jaka puli na padangki waypat hagani ka than chatay lamingi ka badon ka jingyate bat ka National Skills Development Corporation ya ka balay ituru da ka AICTE.
What is the first thing you tell the customer to make the customer feel important? Very good. Welcome, sir. Can you continue? Sit down, Daman. Can you continue, Elfio? What? Here already told welcome. What else? Come on. Yes, if it is morning, greeting, the timing. Very good. Welcome. Sit down, Elfio. Good morning. Welcome, sir. Welcome to Oberoi. Or good morning, sir.
Nakajing syampang hagaba Pyntbit ya Samla ba wan puli hangni bat kajing la jong kani ka Jaka puli ban bat ya kakular ban punyo kamru ya Samla ki bala pendep ya kos Bapher nagani ka Jaka puli haga arpau tarik ubunai kalalangkot usnem arajar khatsan ka Jettwings kalayo khusnamru naga Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India bat ka Ministry of Labour and Employment Government of India, but ka Ministry of Skill Development, Government of India, haka jingalang ka balalong hanong ba Delhi, but hagani ka jingalang ka Jettwings kalayo, yakanam India's Best Institute in Placements.
But when it comes to job placements, ngina po Jettwings, we always make sure that we work with recruiters who only from the 5-star or the 4-star category. When we're looking at hotel sectors, we deal only with the hotels that are in that category. Kumka Oberoi, ka Taj, ka Leela, Four Seasons, the Hilton. We've stopped dealing. In fact, we don't deal at all with hotels that are below that category. The reason is because ngimtip how the students actually fare in those particular institutions. Okay? We've had instances ng kamao yung kihana kibla wan changa kibla le ki interview in certain sectors hapo state ki hotel and all that. They done by one recruit and then kita let hipat the conditions where they stay and all that becomes very bad. Kim yo bhaka salary, kim yo bhaka bam, kerja kasar kolong kabasniyo. Tingipat in that sector we make sure by the people who we place, the people who we work with, our recruiters, they category that are recognized in the country. Okay? We monitor them for the 18 months or so that they're there, okay, that they're working there. We make sure that, especially the girls, they get the accommodation, they get their rightful salary and all of that. Yakishinrangaru, we make sure they are secure, they live in an environment where things are okay. Because people from the northeast, it's not that nilong a little bit naive. We just make sure we always monitor them to make sure that all of them are safe. In the airline sector, the airlines is a very secure sector. The on the airlines also, they're doing very well. The airlines, the HR policy in the airlines is very strict, so they're monitored primarily by the airlines. And then one thing is, as far as the jobs are concerned on the hospitality sector, we move away. We do not deal with sectors that deal with the spa, with those massage parlors and all of that, because we don't involve our kids in those sectors at all. We only make sure we recruit our kids in just the F&B sector, in the hospitality, the F&B sector, the front office sector, and also the housekeeping sector. When it comes to these spas and massage parlors and all that, we don't take them at all. In fact, even when it comes to jobs that involve beauticians and all that, we always make sure it's purely hospitality. We don't deal at all with the spa sector or the massage sector, because we don't want any incidences at that. Our policy is never to put our kids in those sectors.
Can we have Shimti? Shimti Suklin Nongse. Alright, Shimti is now going to join AirAsia. Okay, give her a big hand. Aikula is going to join Oberoi Trident in Hyderabad. Okay. Nafisa, AirAsia, the next air hostess on AirAsia. Okay. Lucky for Oberoi Trident Hyderabad.
Kumbakalong haduk mentah ki Samla ki bala pendep ya ki jingpule bat Pyntbit yala di haki kam Bapher baki jiet bantrai bongot kila kiau haki kam kabaki tray bat kiba khambon hinaki kila yo kam shaki company kiba shabar jalla.
So, good, let's do it together. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hotel.
Hotel.
Manager.
Manager.
Lounge.
Lounge.
Alright, then let's do it again. Customs officer.
Customs officer.
Habaya nujor bat kajing penyo kam nakani hi ke Jaka pule yaki Samla ke bala pas nang ni na uway usnem shaway pat kam daya pair palat kum house nem arajar sipo arajar khatway ke Jettwings kala penyo kam hado khandai po pra point pra na ke shispa na baro ke bala pendep ya kajing pule nang ni house nem arajar khandai arajar sipo khandai penyo na ke shispa bat house nem arajar pra arajar khandai po ar point khandai na ke shispa house nem arajar new arajar pra khandai po point new sao na ke shispa.
Ko jimuntai ko long lairap sibon yang ban yo akam sabar long bangan tray manierap hayeng kajing siur ko long kabiang long kam dadi ka ba khiathan haru da tata long kidan ki long gibom la na yeng ki ba tayabat ki bank kum kanara bank ban yo ya ka educational loan ka lairap sibon
mentanga tray bat ka St. Regis Mumbai te ka luxury brand hotels 5 star but kala day katai but ki marriott property se ka jing mentoi jong Jettwings namar kadika property ka ba ai ya ki international no ki hotels 5 star kataru na ta ki habe ki flight te ka but katai but ka day ba ka tourism department te kan kamnyar kum hangni hasilong jongi kamnyar ban yo kum ka property kum kani ke ban ailat ki khana shilong kham tam khana khasi jongi na bar empat judan te ka ailat yang ngi ke bampat dang kong shwa ban join ha ka Jettwings te ngimpat tiplat pat tiplenti te kani kalong kum ka kanja kajing island ti yaki yangi ki bampat tip te long ngi yo mentaya ka kam long ning lingba ka Jettwings ngi la ban go forward ya kata career jangi sementa hadian bang ngalayo ya ka placement tengah das ngongu ya baro kino hikai hang ni but kam ya ka Jettwings baro ka way
kongdo masendap complete ka 12 exams tengah wan wat admission ni Jettwings kan tining kongdo ngamtip ba ka Jettwings ka ngamtip ba nganamut ka Jettwings ka ai admission tangi khina ki ko ala ka airlines sering amte baki also I admission ki ba ko ban de join ki hotels ne ki cruise lines ne te dangala wan hang ne ningkong tangam tip sori ki iru te lingba jong ka Jettwings tingi tip lot kan saba ni tip lot komno ki interviews ki komno ban le ki interviews komno gi dan kam ne ka ki te umta ngahon ngakemen hai ka kam mga try bar ka jing sio ka tulap na marba ningkong ta kaduna hi ka tulap par ngidang join ningkong na ngiled without any experience te hadian ngilayo ka experience ka pero ka increase kan after 3 months Hilton maka de ka worldwide brand te after 3 months ka payment ka increase tingi also bangi yo ka admission ya ka accommodation ye ngimdan ka man siu hin ladi ka siu hi ka company ka bangi try kan ka ngatri ha Mumbai mentate Mumbai is a very safe place for girls to work.
Kipun ki jeng mentoi bang ayo nang ni na Jettwings banganang pas 12 kam tam nei menta jenjar ki kam menyo tala pas 12 te jenjar ha ki kam menyo hap long hap pas kam he ngawan hang ni pat long ka kam sok yang ama na pas 12 ru nglawan hang ni te kla long 100% sure bangan yo kam be tam de hani shlong ru kam le tang ba kedai sabaru kap yang mentang layo ha Oberoi Hyderabad kejing tri sabar kamdei katama bang yahap ya jit parlong yahap long parakasi kedai kejing tri sistem jangi kedai kadai siapang ngihap long confidence ngihap long trishitama ngidi ben sacrifice mai ke bangin yo bangin achieve something. You have to sacrifice something to achieve something. Kadai kata
nakaliang ka jonga ngayo bun ki jing mentoy naka Jettwings long kum swabangan wan hang ni long ibrio iba ngam dalat ben keren bha ngaleran long ben kiu haki stage do ngalong leran biet tengawan ha kan ni ke Jettwings ngayo ki jing mentoy si bun ki pin hikai yang ngimno mengin long self confident ben keren mengila ben aten ki bagnuan ha ka life chungi
ki company ki baga Jettwings ka don ka jingya dei ban pinyo kam ki kintopia ka Air Asia, Indigo, SpiceJet, Hampshire Resort, Landmark Dubai, Le Royal Meridian, West Inn, Leonia Holistic Destinations, Jet Airways, Jetlight, Go Air, The Taj, The Oberoi, The Trident, JW Marriott, ITC Group, Choice Group of Hotels, Dream Cochin, Holiday Inn, Vistara Airlines, Hilton, but kiwe de.
But magi kasi jongi actually the only problem is actually ngashu bentuk hop airlines ki kam duna ka height. The kiawan hang ni hoi a lot of them come ki kana kasi ki kwa ben join ki airline sector. And ki airline sector but kadon come if but at least to be 5'3". The bone na ki kana kasi jongi kim thai kim poi popli to ka height mo. The what we do is because they actually won a career in this sector. What we do is then we advise them accordingly. We have counselors in the institute who counsel them that listen, you still have a long way to go. Maybe if kita pras them or post them, kita lah hiban increase the height mo kumba arla inchi. Then we give them options to work in the hospitality sector. Generally the airlines see they have major. The first preference is always people out of the hospitality sector. So if you work for the Oberoi group and the Taj group, you've picked up the very good services baki Jaka. Out of these sectors, the airlines usually recruit. What we advise ki kana ba one ba pen what's no diao what's no si fila hiban yo ha airline sector hendrei ali treasure with the international hotels chains that you have. The way you trade international hotel chains ni labon hi kana immediately after 1 year or 6 months because you have to experience ki yo can join ki airlines. The response so far na ki kana kasi jong imta it's been very good. Ngi nang ni na po institute ru ngisi let ki colleges ngi I career counseling. The last one we had was the National Youth Program ki don hang po polo. That I'm not sure was it the youth program na tahi. It's a youth program organized by the state government. The almost 200-300 kids over there. The bon ngila ai ka presentation bon man tak bila wan bani kendo ini to know more about how to work in this sector and all of that mo. Si ka ngidi ban kawai gini ban sotho ba kini ki kam ki ba la ban ai ka experience ka ba kong san palat hi khna. Because ka experience ba fiyo here within the hospitality sector, if you do very well, you grow very fast. Kani ka sector kadai menta tourism fitip ka sector ka bon pisa ba ki kam bon. But they need people who are experienced. They menta ki khna jangi bon kila le ka BA, kila le ka MA. Ki so good population. Andre we're giving them this other option kay nang ni. Ba if you come, you can actually have a sector and you're working with some of the most reputed brands in the world. It's been good. Ki khasiru ki khana khasibon ke one ring ilayo mostly ki khana na po Garo Hills ki biabon ki ba one ro and they're getting very good sectors. One thing to mention later ki khana khasi ki ba yo airlines ka shno jingi ki dei na po te mentang ila don ko ba sao san mut ki khana kan thei man na po ki la yo bor kho ya po ki international airlines te kumta ki ngi kwa ban encourage sho ki bre na po khamtam na po shilong jongi ru bakin kin shimi ki ki kabu bangi ai ni ka port ken to take up to ngim kwa ban force ki mo just to come and talk with us. We'll give them a career advice because ki come like I said ki babun te kitu bla don well and good kitu ki mapat ki mapat step bahash panganika sector and all that. We are always here to help ngai la deru la don kanika tourism sector mentang la Hikai ru la kumbah news nem they am well aware of how the industry works, and if it's anything that's not safe, that is not reputed, we will definitely not send the children out to Jaka.
Hi, my name is Flavie and I'm a student of Jettwings Shillong and I'm currently working with the Hilton International which is in Mumbai. It's a very nice place to work with, amazing team member and learning different opportunities every day. So it's a cool place, awesome place to work with. And I would also like to thank Jettwings for this, because had it not been because of Jettwings, I wouldn't have been here today. So thank you, Jettwings, and long live.
Hi, it's Jaya out here. I'm a student from Jettwings Institute, and now I recently work here at the Oberoi Trident, Hyderabad, and I'm loving it here. I would like to say thanks especially to Jettwings. Because of it, I've got this opportunity, and right now I'm here working with the best. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I'm Alina Guru, recently working with Jet Airways. Being an air hostess was my dream, which came true because of Jettwings, so I'd like to thank Jettwings for this enthusiasm and support. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Thangsame Seth Sangma, student of Jettwings. Currently, I'm working in Taj Bengal, Kolkata, and I love this place, and I'm happy to work here. And people are good to me, and I'm good to people. And I really want to thank Jettwings. Because of Jettwings, I'm here. They teach me how to interact with people, and thank you. Long life Jettwings.
Haduk mentah, hapalat san pautali ki company ki bahai India bat nabaro kumju la penrungkam ya ki Samla ki bala pendep ya ke jingpole na ke Jettwings.